Oh wait, what happened? Oh my god! Oh my god, that's so much rain! It's a heavy rain going on right now. Look, the light is flickering. Look at that, the light is literally dying. Like, it's so much heavy that even the light can't malfunction, like light is malfunctioning. And you can't see it, unfortunately, because I'm recording this on a smartphone. That's why. Oh, that's so much. People are running away. Ow. Oh my god. I don't see that heavy. It's so heavy. Oh, the light. Now our road light is flickering now. It actually flickered before, but it stopped and now it's happening again. Oh, I can't even sit on. My pants is gonna, like, wet. My pants are gonna get wet if I sit. I should just sit down. And that's so much heavy. So, bye-bye. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye.